Hey, what's up guys? Have you been searching for a way to install Roku channel on Firestick but not find any helpful guide? Then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I'm gonna show you how you can install Roku channel on Firestick. Before we proceed to the installation section, let's start with a brief introduction. So many people asking me on the comment box is that can we install the Roku channel on Firestick? So a simple answer for this is yes, anyone can install Roku channel on their Fire TV device. It is because now this app is officially available on the Amazon App Store that can be downloaded free of cost. So if you stick with me for just few minutes more and I'm gonna show you how you can get Roku on Firestick free of cost. Let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do, where to find, slide down and click on search. Now type your Roku channel. When you type Roku, suggestion list appears, so slide down and click on Roku channel. And here click on white color Roku channel icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and the Roku channel start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, Roku channel has been installed. Now you open this app from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hold remote home button for a few seconds. Click on apps. And guys, here you will find all applications that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So slide down and hover to Roku channel. Now press the remote option button. The right side menu appear on your screen. Just slide down and click on move to front. And guys, here as you can see, Roku channel is front of your all Amazon applications. Now launch this app. So this is the home screen of Roku channel. Here you can watch your favorite movies, TV shows, documentaries, entertainment free of cost. So guys, you can use this method to download Roku channel on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.